So I saw your question here on discussion board. It comes from 7.2, number 12. Looks like you are having trouble with the critical values. Different ways you might do this. I just, covered up part of it, but the claim is that mu equals 50, and that's the null hypothesis. An alternative be mu does not equal 50. So it's a two-tailed test with alpha's 0.09. So, easiest way to do it with the normal calculator and StatCrunch. So you click on Stat, Calculators, and choose the normal calculator. And since it's going to be a two-tailed test, you want to click on the between. And alpha is giving us 0.1. So this area here will be 1 minus 0.09. This area is 0.91. Since alpha is giving us alpha's giving us 0.09. This here, that's the area out here is 0.09 split between the two of them. Different ways you might do it, but then the area between's the complement or 0.91. So, I'll leave the mean and standard deviation alone. I just put in the 0.91 and hit compute, and this number here, I guess we need to round it to 2 decimal places, so it'd be 1.70. So the easiest way perhaps is with the normal calculator to find critical values. Hope this helps.